Hello, my name is John Sayer and I'm a Technical Marketing Manager here at Autodesk. I would like to welcome you to this demonstration video, Collaboration Using the Design Feed Across Extended Teams with Autodesk Infraworks 360, Episode 1. This is the first of 3 demonstrations showing a workflow for collaboration using Infraworks 360. So let's get started. So we've been asked to start preliminary work on an existing intersection. This is a project that's pretty typical and usually has several team members. We want to be sure from the beginning of the project that everyone involved will be on the same page. From scheduling preliminary work, such as maybe a traffic study, which is what we'll use as our example in this episode and throughout, to final design plans, collaboration is key in any project. So let's talk about our project today. We put together a model using city GIS information. We have a traffic engineer that we use that might not be under the same roof per se, so we need to be able to share the model with them. So let's talk about how we do just that. So we've got 3 different stakeholders that we're going to talk about here in these videos. One of them is going to be the traffic engineer. The other one will be the reviewing agent, and we'll have a field crew that will be the last person in our collaboration effort. So in the first episode here, we need to collaborate with the traffic engineer, our city GIS model that we generated in Infraworks 360. So I'm going to look at the intersection. This will be the intersection that is in question. And our project. So I need to publish this model so that they can have this model to use and start to plan with on their end. So when I say they, I mean the traffic engineer. So what we need to do is we need to publish this model. I'm going to go up and select Publish the Model to Infraworks 360. And what this is going to do is it's going to push it to the cloud. So we need to select a group that we're going to add this model to. So I'm going to add it to my using the design feed group. And I'm going to simply select Publish. Now it does take just a little bit of time to get this model up to the cloud, and that's going to vary according to the size of the model. So now that our model has been pushed to the cloud, we need to go ahead and share the model with the appropriate stakeholder. So in this case, it's the traffic engineer. So I'm going to go out to the 0 screen in Infraworks 360. I'm going to drop down under Assign Groups, Users to Groups, and I'm going to add a user to my group that I built for my model. So I'm going to add a user, and today I'm just going to add myself. This would be the traffic engineer, and you can create a role as a publisher for them so that they have the correct rights. I hit OK, and what will happen is there'll be an email that's sent to them. In this email, I've got a sample email that I can show you. This comes up and it gives them a link to the specific model and tells them that they have been added to the group. The benefit of having the model published to the cloud is that every stakeholder that you give access to will be able to utilize the same data in that model as all stakeholders to make decisions.